Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I made to my box truck business plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of information as to the 2 or 3 changes that I've made to the box truck business plan template, and then once I'm done with that, we'll go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so as promised, let's go ahead and zip through these changes that I've made to the template. So the first template that I made is I updated the industry research. As we all know, the box truck industry, when you're writing your business plan for that industry, it's continually growing and changing. So we do want to make sure we have up-to-date information included in your business plan. So from there, I did go ahead and contact my IBIS World. I've got a subscription to the company, and I did a little bit of research on the local freight trucking industry, and what I did is I summarized that information and I updated my box truck business plan template with the appropriate information, not only describing the industry, competitors in the industry, but I also updated the revenues for the industry, historical growth rate, projected growth rate, profits, wages, as well as number of businesses. So all that good information is up to date for 2023 in my business plan template. The next thing that I did is I expanded my industry research. So for example, the products and services segment was not previously included in my box truck business plan template. And what I did was I updated the information and I went ahead and expanded my industry research included in the template to include that information. So now the industry research has been expanded. So we got a little bit more depth in that segment. The next and final change that I made to the box truck business plan template is I've added more capabilities to customize the proforma income statement or proforma profit and loss statement for the first 12 months. So usually when you're going to update your profit and loss when you're going to update your financial model in the box truck business plan template, you're going to go to the information page and all the changes that you're able to make would be right there. However, now I've went ahead and I've expanded the profit and loss for year 1 tab. I've extended it to include the ability to change the sales growth on a monthly basis for the first 12 months. So now business owners, box truck business owners, are able to further customize how they feel their projections are going to play out for the first 12 months. You know, for example, they might be running more freight in the winter month, in the summer months as compared to the winter month. December might be a little bit more busy as compared to January. So for this financial model, it does give you all the capabilities to change the revenues based on a monthly basis as compared to annually. All right, so hopefully that information is helpful. So just to summarize real quick, if you do buy my box truck business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document. It also comes with the basic financial model that is customized for the industry. Finally, or further rather, I do offer free business plan template tutorials, and all you got to do is just go to my website right here. Check out the tutorials. You can do that before or after you buy, completely up to you. Those tutorials are free. There are some limitations to my box truck business plan template. As usual, it is not compatible with Google Docs and is not compatible with Apple products. You do need Microsoft Office, specifically Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, in order to make the changes. And then if you do have any questions or concerns, or you want to have a discussion about my box truck business plan template, all you got to do is just contact me. My number is right here. Give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Love to have a great conversation about what you can expect in my box truck business plan template, but I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you to complete that box truck business plan template, be delighted to do so, but there is a charge. If you are interested in buying my box truck business plan template, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with templates and tutorials, you just want a professional write your business plan, or you just want a professional do your proforma financial projections, I'd be delighted to do so. Here's my pricing page right here. Hopefully these updates are helpful, and as always, go out, make a little bit of money, stay safe, and have a great day. Thank you.